Oh yeah. Righto, I tell you, they're champs. Now Razer make the best gaming mouse. Trust me on this, it's black. And I want a white mouse and it's so good that I actually use it. Will they make the best keyboard? Well, let's find out. I actually have been using like the HyperX keyboard. It's a black keyboard as well. It does hurt my eyes because it is black. I hope they do have this in the platinum color, you know, the mercury white. We're going to unbox this bad boy, hook it up to this laptop and see how it is. We're going to listen to it. We're going to look at the RGB. Yeah, this is Razer's own keys. So this has the green switches, which are tactile and clicky. So I guess they're sort of like the blues of the Cherry MX. So let's have a look at the Razer Black Widow 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. Now, if we have a look at this box, look at that baby, born in the USA. That's what you want to see. I like that. Have a look at the back of the box there. You can see, yes, Razer switches, designed by Razer for gaming. Well, their mouse is the best. Well, will their keyboard be the best? It does look good, doesn't it? Straight away, I like that the keys are sort of floating there. They don't have some sort of frame around them, which is pretty cool. Now, as I said, I was using the HyperX sort of keyboard, black keyboard, but the key spacing, after a while, I was getting a bit of fumble finger. So I went back to my white keyboard. I'm secretly hoping this isn't that good because then I don't have to use a black keyboard, but we'll see how we go there. What do you know? You have a keyboard, you have the literature here, and in here will be some stickers or decals. Yes, they didn't let me down there. And just feeling this keyboard now, it's not that heavy. Hopefully it's got some good rubber feet so it doesn't slide because it's not that heavy. So you've got 2 steps to how much you want the incline. So that's cool. 1. Well, we'll have a listen to it in a sec, but yeah, it looks okay, I guess. We'll see what it looks like with the RGB. Not a braided cable or anything, but yeah, that's plenty long enough. I guess this is their more affordable range. Plug it in there, it's going to tell me something about, oh, there we go, there's the RGB. It's not particularly bright at the moment, but I do have, there we go, that seems to be working well. Oh, it sounds nice. Sounds like a Cherry Blues, doesn't it? And as you'll see over here, if you can see that, might be out of focus, but yeah, the Razer software comes up. And yeah, that gives you the control over it. I will install it. I don't like actually using software, but for the purpose of this, I do want to put up the RGB to full spec here. So we can actually see here, the RGB is not the brightest RGB in the world, but it is cool. Let's have a listen to it. Okay, so what I like about this is the switches feel nice. Very tactile, clicky. You'll like that or you won't. The RGB is cool. Would be nice if it's a little bit brighter, but yeah, it is what it is. Build quality is solid. I'm going to game with it now and I'm going to actually see, you know, even though it's not that heavy, will it actually move? It doesn't seem like it would. Seems pretty good, but if I angle it up, there, I don't think it's going to move. And yeah, I'll tell you if it does. And yeah, it's a good keyboard. You know, for the price of it, they do make better keyboards, but the switches, the good thing about this is the switches. You get awesome Razer switches, and yeah, you get at an affordable price. I do like 10 keyless. That is how I like my keyboards, and yeah, You're definitely going to like this one, especially for the tactile feedback, the clickiness, and yeah, affordable. Razer. You know, Razer make keyboards that are a lot more expensive. This one's actually a good price. Check out the description for the price there. So anyway, yeah, it's my unboxing first look. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho.